Chapter 1 Integers. Today we are going to learn about the integers. Before that, we have to recall some numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers. What is the natural numbers? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Whole numbers, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 are called whole numbers. Integers are a bigger collection of numbers which is formed by whole numbers and the negatives. We already learned in standard 6. What is an integer? Integers are a bigger collection of numbers which is formed by whole numbers and the negatives. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are integers. Next, addition of integers. 32 plus 27. These two numbers have same sign, that means 32 and 27 are positive numbers, positive integers. You should add these two numbers and put the same sign, that is 59. Negative 40 plus negative 20. Here negative 40 plus negative 20, these two numbers have same sign. In addition, these two numbers have same sign. You should add the two numbers and put the same sign. That means 40 plus 20 equal to 60. What is the sign of these two numbers? Negative. Put the negative sign. Third question, negative 15 plus 5. First integer is a negative integer, second one positive integer. This time you should take the difference of these two numbers. What is the difference of these two numbers? Difference means subtract these two numbers. 15 minus 5, 10. Which number is the biggest number in this case? 15 is the biggest number. What is its sign? Negative. Put the negative sign. Next is 25 plus negative 15. What is the difference between 25 and 15? 25 minus 15 equal to 10. This is the greatest number in it. 25 is the greatest number. Its sign is positive. Put the positive sign. No need to put the positive sign. 10 means positive sign. Positive integer. 10 represent positive integer. Next, additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 25? This is a positive 25. Additive inverse means just opposite, that means negative sign, negative 25. What is the additive inverse of negative 25? This is a negative sign. Additive inverse of negative 25 is 25. For example, integer negative 10. What is the additive inverse of negative 10? Positive 10. What is the additive inverse of 204? Negative 204. What is the additive inverse of negative 181? Positive 181. What is the additive inverse of A? Negative A. What is the additive inverse of negative X? X. Next topic, subtraction of integers. First one, question number 1, 242 minus 100. This is the greatest number, 242. 242 is the greatest number. You subtract 100, then 242 minus 100. equal to 142. Next, negative 160 minus 150. In subtraction, take the additive inverse of second number. What is the second number? 50. What is the additive inverse of 50? Negative 50. Negative 160, no change in the first number, negative 160, and add to first number. One more time I will explain. First one, subtract 50 from minus 160. That time you should take the additive inverse of 50 and add to negative 160. Negative 160 plus, what is the additive inverse of 50? Negative 50. Next, addition rule. These two numbers have same sign. That means negative 160 and negative 50. And 160 plus 50 equal to 210. Put the same sign, negative. Next, negative 100 minus negative 25. No change in the first number, negative 100 plus add. What is the additive inverse of negative 25? Positive 25 equal to, this one is negative integer, second one is positive integer. According to the addition rule, we have to subtract these two numbers. What is the subtraction of these two numbers? 100 minus 25, 75. What is the greatest number sign? Negative. Put the greatest number sign. Next one, 46 minus of minus 56. 46, no change in the 46, plus additive inverse of negative 56, positive 56. These two numbers are positive sign, positive integer. Then 46 plus 56 equal to 102.